Hi friends, this is Noor and you are watching Mobile Solutions. I have got Note 4, n910c model. It is locked with Samsung reactivation lock. I have made a manual hard reset by these combination keys, and after I got Samsung reactivation lock. So in this video I am going to show you how to unlock this lock. As you can see, it's asking for Samsung lock here. This device is locked because of an abnormal factory reset. Sign in to the Samsung account that you have already signed into on this device to confirm that it belongs to you. It means it will not unlock until we put the same Samsung account that we used previously on this device. So what is the solution for this device? So I am going to show you in this video. So keep watching this video until I unlock it. So come on screen. First of all, I have already opened Octopus software. Go to XNS and select your desired model. What is the n910c here, as you can see here, and just phone should be in download mode. First of all, power off your phone, press and hold volume down and home key to get into download mode. Press volume up to continue and insert USB cable. As you can see here, reactivation lock is on. So the next step is to select port. From here, as you can see, Samsung mobile USB modding port is to select. Come in main tab and click on reset FRP reactivation lock. It's asking for yes or no. This operation will delete all user data on your device, contacts, pictures and others. Do you want to continue? Yes. Connecting to server. Okay. Please put the phone into download mode. It's okay. Writing custom section. As you can see on screen, my phone has restarted and the Octopus is showing FRP lock is successfully resetted. Now we can see on mobile phone whether it's locked or unlocked. Now you can remove my cable. Because the process is finished, now we have to check that phone is still locked or not. दो पल्ली में ना कि हाथ को करना. It will take a while as usual. After resetting, it takes a little time, almost 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see, unfortunately the process com.android phone has stopped. It doesn't matter, it's about Play Store. As you can see, my phone is normal now. It's ready to use, but we have to change the firmware to sort out this problem. This belongs to Google, but it doesn't matter. We have solved my problem. As you can see, it's running. Go to about. Now we can check the version of my phone. The Android version is 6.01, means Marshmallow is running inside. So friends, if you found something helpful in my video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel in order to get notification in the future, because we keep on uploading videos after 1 week or later. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.